and good day to you all. As always, my name is Rekia Hassan Bako, a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy. Our medicines are manufactured from 100% natural organic herbs, which have been tested, trusted, approved, and licensed by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, to be used around the world. And our medicines are very, very effective and affordable. Well, today I'm going to talk about diabetes itself. Yeah, diabetes. What is diabetes? First of all, we know that diabetes is a condition that happens when your blood sugar, that is your glucose, is too high, and it occurs, and it becomes high when your pancreas doesn't make enough insulin or insulin at all. Types of diabetes, I'm going to mention four. There are many types of diabetes, but I'm going to mention four most common type of diabetes. We have type 1 diabetes, we have type 2, we have pre-diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Let me start from type 2 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, your body doesn't make enough insulin. Your body doesn't make enough insulin, and it is the most common type of diabetes, which mostly it affects adults and sometimes children as well. On to pre-diabetes. Pre-diabetes is a diabetes that is the stage before type 2 diabetes. In pre-diabetes, sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be not high enough to be type 2. On to the next one, which is type 1 diabetes. This type is an autoimmune system in which your immune system attacks and destroys insulin producing cells in your pancreas for unknown reasons. In this aspect, your immune system attacks that immune system, which is supposed to be helping you. Instead, it will attack and destroy your insulin producing cells in your pancreas. So on to the next one, which is gestational diabetes. This diabetes, it develops in people during pregnancy. So some pregnant women, expectant mothers are at the risk of having gestational diabetes. So next is, what are the symptoms of this diabetes? Well, in most cases, some people might say they never experience any symptoms and the rest. And even if there are any symptoms, it will include frequent urination. There is excessive thirst. There is also extreme hunger. There is pins and needles, like under your feet. You might be feeling as if someone is pricking you with pin under your feet. There is that. There is also blurry vision. You tend not to see very well. There is itchy skin. There is also slow healing whenever you get injured. In some cases, whenever you get injured, you'll notice that it is very slow in healing. Also, there is also weight loss and many more. On to the next one, which is the complications. What are the complications of this diabetes? When you have diabetes and maybe you feel reluctant to treat it, what does it lead to? First of all, there is nerve damage. It leads to nerve damage. It leads to hearing loss. It leads to gum disease. Yes, gum disease as well. It leads to kidney failure. It leads to blindness. It leads to amputation. It also leads to sexual dysfunction and many more. So you should know the risks of not treating diabetes. It can be very, very harmful to the body. Also, at Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, where we give medicine for different type of illness. If you find yourself under any of this type of diabetes which I have mentioned, or others which I didn't get to mention, please come to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, where we give you drugs which will not manage. We don't give medicines just to manage your sickness. No, we give medicine to cure your sickness, and we give it with 100% guarantee. If you are having diabetes, be it pre-diabetes, type 1, type 2 diabetes, or gestational diabetes, we will give you medicine that will cure this diabetes as if you've never had this case before. Also, how does this work? First of all, if you're in Kano, like I normally say our branch in Kano. If you're in Kano, you can come to our branch. We'll run some tests on you, After, first of all, we'll open a file for you, after which we'll run some tests on you to be on the safer side and to know exactly what stage you are in. Then you go in for consultation. If you're not in Kano, we'll, when you register over the phone, when you call us, we'll send our account number for you to register. When you register, the doctor in charge of your case will be the one to call you, and when he or she calls you, they will give you enough time for you to explain what the problem is, after which they will know the kind of medicine to give you and the duration. That is how it goes. And when you are not in Kano still, we also do way bill. We'll send it to you wherever you are. Also, whenever we are giving you medicine for diabetes, we don't just give you medicine and that's all. No, we give you with dieting. It has to go hand in hand with dieting. When you're taking the medicine, you don't have a say in it. Please, you just have to know this. You want your health, you want a very good health, you don't have a say in it. We give you with dieting what to eat and what to avoid, so as for it to facilitate your health. So for more information, as always, you can call us on the following number: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662, or you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 Safiya House, opposite Dangi, Zaria Road, and close to this popular supermarket called Jifatu store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.